E ti mo dim sa bro we.
O ma me ewu. O papa ewu. Ye kun wabusu ni bi. Ya anya ohwe.
Asema o se ka che me.
Ye hwe na wudie na nipa so ma oni hwe ni bi asa. E say problem be na wo. Papa Fufrodi man.
Ofa, o da mo ntwa na mo bo. Na mo ka sa mo be fa ne ma fala sa. O ntwa na mo bo.
Me no Bible no. Akwese obi tinchen ya wo de man 20 na mo prepare orange.
Me sa mo 20. Ofa wo fun pa wo fun.
Orange kakra o say yo ya. Come 20 CD for orange. O say yo ya.
I know I'm gonna win some, and I'm surely gonna lose some too. See, but I've got my mind on this, yeah. Give me something, make I hold on to, yeah. I want to win and never lose. You hear the sound we I produce. I know you
can make okay because you always come to take.
Now, you know something, but go for that. I think I say, if you die, your apartment will be there at Asumanso.
Oh, no.
And I'm going to say, one can make
No.
Yeah, look at here before.
Oh, yes, but over here, I'm planning to give it out to students as a hostel.
Hostel, okay.
So I want to hold away time small here and then, see to it that they renovate other sides and then.
Oh, go for the Africa. I say, and can you go talk say if they can come out and can make a handle over, like make a do the caretaker.
Come out for there. You be boy anytime you dey campus. Shorties dey there. You don't feel link oneself for man. We take.
Go for that. I would do.
I could be crying, come there, permanent crying. And how did I say, will I be on your life?
Go for that. This time around, I swear I could do. But the thing we say, I think I say like the girls, them big kiddies, they don't deal level.
Small ones, and they jump to the toilet.
Go for that, like seriously. I don't know.
Oh, come on for that. You be picking.
Go for that. I say, trust me, see. If you see what they talk here, trust me, I say, I will link you one here, get this do now, I swear.
Serious.
Also, they my own. It's my bestie from day one. Go for that.
Hey, your bestie.
Oh, go for that bestie. Nothing, I saw nothing.
You just say you know chopper.
Me no. If you contact me, then they create for TikTok then stuff. Nothing. I go for that. I go for. I go for do that. Me then you. How they like they spoil me? They give me money and stuff. Go for that. Me then you know.
Bestie, the other bestie, so know you.
Go for that. We get bestie then benefit. That one is day. But me the handy.
So which one is this?
Bestie. Me the handy best. I go for that. Me to me just that.
Nothing serious.
Nothing there inside.
Are you sure you're lying?
I swear, go for them. Before go the man.
Are you sure you're lying? You are there.
Nothing.
With this boy.
Go for that.
You sure say you know before Martin.
On the side in the bottom. On the side in the bottom. Red means soon. Red can is soon. Who red? You
take this.
Red can is soon. Go for that. You do. Thank you. Go for that. Thank you. Go for that. I go for that. Even when we meet you there, so I go there for campus.
Hey. Oh, it's normal.
I go for that. I'm sure I tell you.
If you do the right thing.
Go for that. Trust me. I say this time, if I don't do it, you best me. You forget me. I swear. Go for that. How they come? They give me like the sport they give me. Where is
the boys not for Martin?
Go for that. No for Martin. I swear. Go for that. Hey, go for that. You do. Go for that. You do. I feel. I don't get nothing this back here. I swear. Go for that.
Bye. It's okay.
Thank you.
Let me get something.
Okay. Go for that. Then go for that. Go take my leave too.
So Ella is not there. I've been calling Ella. It's not going through. Alright. I've been chilling her. And then I'll be able to see. Ella's watching.
I know the border, cause I'm getting ways out of losses. And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this. I know the border, cause I'm getting ways out of losses. And tell me who the fuck's gonna stop this, cause I'm forcing.
I'm no more loser, they feel this why I choose.
Ella, I've been looking for you in the house, but you're not there, so I decided to come and sit here and wait for you.
I had a meeting.
But what did you off the phone? I've been calling you.
Off. I left my charger here.
Oh, okay.
What's up?
I don't know what to say. You know, Akosia family. I went there ever since I asked you to give me the 1,000, and you couldn't even give me the money. I went there just to look for her, and the way they treated me in the house, I mean, they were just treating me like a I don't know how to put it. Like, as if I'm nobody to them. As if you don't remember the good things that I did for them way back. Ella, you can't even imagine. Even her mom even woke up on me just like that, and the uncle too. The way I used to give the uncle the money all the time.
Why would she walk out? Why would she?
How?
Was one day? How many times must I tell you that girl doesn't have any feelings for you? She doesn't love you.
Ella, you don't know it's because of love, you know.
Love?
Oh.
Who will call that? Have you forgotten about me, myself? Yeah, Henry, I didn't go see you.
I do remember.
You remember?
Yeah.
And today I'm dreaming. Am I okay? You won't die. So because on the way I let the person go, you will not die. Just try to pick up the pieces that the person left for you. Say no, who will not Saturday where Chimani who not Saturday green. What is your sweat? Do you know when you obey who we are here? Like I don't get you. Now about your papa that's not something.
You know what I went through the other time?
You
I went to the
won't.
house.
It's somebody that did both.
Oh.
It's somebody that did both. But all the same now, I don't blame them. I blame you.
At least they should remember the good things.
Yes.
You understand?
How can they? Huh? So right now, what are you going to do? Because I've said enough. I've said a lot to you. I don't know what to tell you again.
Now I'll just take my decision and then move on. Because I've tried my best just to get her back. But I can see...
Get her back? If I'm not being a catch us on the way, you want to try and get her back.
That's
now,
what
what will you get? I catch it. With them, I'll bring me phone and see you could feel I'm hey, I'm a film pill. Still now.
It's not that you don't know the feeling
love her. She doesn't love you.
I'm going through.
She doesn't have any feelings for you. Slightest feelings she doesn't have. So why must you kill yourself for such? You know what?
But we still they tend to stick in the lead. Day your day, make a day my day. No, they think of trying, it's a felony. Wale wale leo. Start this thing, no be today. No, they take your reggae, come spoil my blues. Day your day, make a day my day.
Wale wale leo. I don't need for that. Cause I'm getting with seven losses. Tell me who the fuck gonna stop this.
Wale wale leo. I know they bother, cause I'm getting with some
Go further.
Tell me who the fuck gonna stop.
Yeah. Some catch your own zone.
Go further, no be me, like.
No be you. Yeah, Jano, man, one and call. I will train and go to feel any man about.
I beg, I agree to salute.
See you. I said, honestly, lie behind your lie.
I beg go for like that.
Like how? This girl way you link up.
I give you the contact, like a contact.
No, the girl is not true. The girl is not true. Because you call her, she wouldn't pick a call. She wouldn't return the missed call. What kind of slow girl is that?
But I beg, you mean say the contact where I give you, if you call her, should they pick up like?
She doesn't like the calls. She doesn't answer it calls.
But I beg, what of chat to like in the chat?
Must I chatting? Do I look like a small? That thing is also name a lie. She let me be a joke. I feel now my better. Hello, how are you? Oh, come on. But try that level. Oh dear. I don't try any problem here. Campus to Commodores. You are correct one back. Let's say we know better than I know.
But for that, the truth be saying, worries no day say I will change give you, like I will give you different one. Worries no day at all. But this particular one said, I shock you because she my own way, me I know say me the vibe like
you the way you talk this particular you sure say no chopper.
No, go for that, no. Go for that.
Hey, arrested.
Go for that, trust me, I swear. Me
arrested.
Go for that. What are they hating?
Hey. Oh, we are smart, I mean we are swift. You are sure I don't read.
Go for that. I swear before what the man. I know chop am.
Like because that's a defense with you too much to arrest.
Go for that. If I talk, you say sebi. She be fully get or about mua. She be about opposition so but me no one about go for that. You no go believe. Say of Gina dem na so pen. Yeah, grow yet me TikTok boom live near creative content. Like we have this vibe. We dey go to school together.